Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about turning on the remind me when it's bedtime notification on the YouTube app. So if you want a little notification when it's time to turn off your device, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So just open up the YouTube app and select the gear icon in the top right. Just go ahead and left click on that. Underneath account, select general, and then where it says remind me when it's bedtime, you can just toggle that to the on position, and you can select when you want this reminder to be set. And if there's a video that's currently playing, you can have it set to notify you once the video has finished. And you can adjust these time windows in here by just dragging and scrolling this through. And then once you're done, you would select OK, and then it would give you a reminder notification. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.